Each day, we're asked to do more, solve more, and deliver to a higher standard. When staying ahead is the new keeping up, our technology plays a key role in helping us advance our goals. It's why the tablets you depend on have to be rugged. That toughness keeps your business in the game. But when the stakes are that high, merely rugged isn't enough. Your tablets should do more than keep you going. They should empower your team to do their best work, adapt to your organization's needs, and put control back in their hands. It means being able to capture and communicate on the go, roam far and wide at full strength, and operate on your own terms. Customizing your tablet to make it work the way you want it to work. While you make sure you have everything you want, you can also eliminate anything that's unwanted, like security vulnerabilities or unexpected downtime. That's why from design to deployment, Zebra rugged tablets are made with you in mind. They're created for your industry, fitted to your workflow, and tailored to your tasks. They're not just built to be strong, they're built for a purpose. Yours. Tough is easy. Tailored is critical.